right, 2017. Lock the doors, but. All right, let's see what we got. All right, so after, let me get you like that. Look, so if you got an Altima and you got it in park, and you try to, well, it's starting now, but you got that right here. So what you got to do is, I'm gonna show you what you got to do. After doing a scan on it, it come up with a code B2603 or B2604, which pretty much like, if you got it in park, a lot of times it's not gonna start. So what you got to do if you run across that is you got to put it in neutral. All right, then start it up. Now we've did it a couple times and it was, as you saw, it started up in park. But if you run across that issue, turn the car on, then put the neutral, then fire it up, and you'll be good. There's something called a PMP. It's got something to do with the transmission and the shifter. So, yeah. If you don't want to pay for that, just put the neutral, start it, then put it back in park, or whatever you're going to do.